ating lahat, distinguished guests, art collectors, partners, and fellow lovers of culture and history. Welcome to the opening of Sulyap sa Quiapo, Quiapo Captured in Paintings. This special two-week exhibition is a proud installment of the Bahay ng Phil Bautista Pamana Series 2026. My name is Jeline B. Lamarosa, and it is my absolute honor to be your Masters of Ceremonies for today. We are gathered here today in the historic district of Quiapo, inside the Grand Gallery of the Padilla Ancestral House. When you step inside the Padilla Gallery, especially the first time, you feel the sudden shift of energy. Outside, we know Quiapo is a beautiful chaos. The competing loudness of jeepneys, tricycles and buses, the messy web of power lines, and the vibrant, colorful street life. Yet woven through all of that noise is a deep, undeniable spirituality. Tonight, we step into this large, spacious, and quiet sanctuary, the perfect antithesis to the bustling streets outside, to witness that very soul of Quiapo captured in different forms of art. This evening would not have been possible without our wonderful community. On behalf of the Quiapo ng Puso Ko Foundation and its dedicated members, we would like to express our deep appreciation and extend a very warm welcome to our partners from Bahay ng Phil Bautista Foundation and the Padilla Ancestral House. A round of applause, please. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating sining at pamana. To formally open our hearts and minds to this evening's celebration, let us welcome in front a visionary leader who has championed the preservation of our cultural treasures. Please put your hands together for the esteemed Dr. Fernando Nakil Jalcita, President of Quiapo ng Puso Ko Foundation.